Summer roads look dry and safe, right? But what you don't see is the real danger. Road temperatures can reach well over 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, mix in worn tires, high speeds, and under or overinflated pressure, and boom, you've got a tire blowout waiting to happen. Today we're diving into 6 warning signs and causes of summer tire blowouts, so you can avoid a sudden roadside emergency, protect your vehicle, and stay safe this season. 1. Overinflated tires from heat expansion. As temperatures rise, the air inside your tires expands. For every 10-degree increase in outside temperature, tire pressure can go up by 1 to 2 psi. If you filled your tires on a cool morning, by midday, they might be dangerously overinflated. Too much pressure stiffens the sidewalls, reduces contact with the road, and makes blowouts more likely, especially at highway speeds. 2. Worn or cracked sidewalls. Watch for cracks, dry rot, or visible damage on the tire sidewalls. Summer heat accelerates rubber aging. If your tires are a few years old, sun exposure can cause the rubber to dry out, creating weak spots along the side. These are the areas that often give out first during a blowout, especially when carrying extra weight or driving long distances in the heat. 3. Uneven tread or bald spots. If your tires are unevenly worn from bad alignment or suspension issues, one part of the tire is doing all the work. Under heat and pressure, that overworked section is more prone to rupture. Always run your hand along the tire surface. If you feel bald patches or high spots, it's time to rotate or replace before summer heat pushes it too far. 4. Low quality or old tires in summer conditions. Old, off-brand, or budget tires struggle in extreme temps. Not all rubber compounds are created equal. Older or cheaper tires often don't handle heat cycles well. They lose elasticity, grip, and structural integrity. Even if the tread looks okay, the internal structure might be compromised. Check the DOT date code. If your tires are more than 6 years old, even if unused, they're far more likely to fail under summer road stress. 5. Underinflated tires. Running hotter than normal. Underinflated tires build up heat faster. When pressure is too low, more surface area touches the road, causing excessive friction. That friction builds heat, and heat breaks down the tire's internal structure from the inside out. This often leads to what's called a tread separation, a scary, high-speed failure where the tread peels away while you're driving. 6. Overloaded vehicles on hot pavement. Carrying too much weight in summer is a blowout risk multiplier. Road trips, trailers, and loaded trunks put extra pressure on your tires. Now add 100+ degree pavement and overinflated or aged tires. You're rolling on a time bomb. Always check your vehicle's tire load rating, especially before hitting the highway on summer adventures. And there you have it, 6 real signs your tires could be headed for a summer blowout. Be sure to check the description below for my top recommended tools and resources. If you enjoy this video, make sure you're subscribed to the channel and hit that like button. And if you don't want to wait for my next video to come out, check out this one on the screen. Your tires are the only thing between your car and the road. One weak link can mean a complete failure at 70 miles per hour. So, check your pressure regularly, inspect your tread, and don't ignore the signs. Until next time, watch for the signs, catch the symptoms early, and drive with peace of mind.